Guys, we're going back home. Our bar hopping. No, not bar hop. Island hopping. Did I just say bar hopping? I meant island hopping. Excited, baby. Yeah. So we are in Oasis. We got sea bass and we got a beef in pasta in a ceramic pot. Enjoy. Okay, the first stop we are island hopping is one of the biggest cyclades, and that is Naxos. We already ate. So excited to show you guys this island. Are you excited?
Yeah, poop.
Hey guys, so we're here in Naxos now. I'm gonna show you guys where we're staying. This is called Xenia Hotel. It's literally near the port. We are in the middle of the town, and I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like. I made a little mess already. So this is maybe one of the cheapest rooms here in Xenia Hotel. That's maybe, I think, about 70 80 per night. Here's a big closet right here. This is in room 109. There is a safe here, fridge, bed, and we also got the balcony. The balcony is in the middle of the town. Let's see. And I don't know about this. I can see through everything. Yeah. And this is the bed. Very spacious. And hubby is in the bathroom right now, so we're gonna let him shower. But there's a shower there and a toilet. That's all what we need. So here in Naxos, it's probably the smallest, one of the smallest airport I've ever been to. It took 20-30 minutes, I would say, from Athens. So we went from Chania to Athens to Naxos. I think that's the only option that we have. The Naxos airport to here, it took about 7 minutes. It was about 15 euros. They told me it could be 15 to 17 euros, but we paid 15 euros. And then we just walked around when we arrived, and we were able to check in early here. It's almost about 2 o'clock, and it's September 2021. So when we were actually going to Naxos, when we went to the check-in, they didn't really check for a COVID vaccine, but once we're about to board to the bus, to their plane, they did ask for the COVID vaccine. So that's it. And I'm excited to show you guys Naxos and all the food we can find here. Anyways, any suggestions for other people that may be coming here, feel free to comment. Thank you. got lamb, pita, bread, and which one is this one? Pork. Here in Naxos. Do they have ketchup in Greece? I need ketchup. Where's the atmosphere?
We're good.
Croquette with certain herbs. What kind of herbs isn't it? I think it's called taramaras. And then pie of the day with mushroom. So crunchy. Look at that stuffing inside. So good. It has like all the herbs and meat, you think?
No, just cook
Like
it.
bread. And this one, the top is really good with like cheese mushroom. The bottom one is like kind of like bread, but the top part is very good. It's like mushroom and cheese. This is the meal of the day. It's veal, potatoes, carrots, and this one is octopus stewed style with rice. Meow, meow, meow.
Doch, ich habe jetzt zwei gekauft, aber wenn du jetzt zum Beispiel nur einen hast, wo kaufst du denn das?
This is a strawberry chocolate crepe at Creparea. Gyro Gyro. This is pasta with truffle, mushrooms, and ceftarios. It's a sausage, I think lamb sausage. Yum. Here at Gyro's in Naxos. Got pasta with mushrooms. I forgot what it's called. It's like a lamb. Is it a lamb? Sausage. It actually tastes like the sausage that I had in the Philippines from Lukban, which is our province near Mauban, Quezon, which is very good, very flavorful as well. Right. So it's 9/11. Remembering all those people that passed away. So here in Naxos, the weather is very chilly at night, like autumn in New York City. So if you bring like a light jacket or a sweater, because it can get very chilly here. But since we're walking around, we're just gonna take it easy and just keep walking and explore this area near the Avaton. I hope we're not going in circle, but I trust my husband. Oh, this is a beautiful church in Naxos. Let's explore the unknown. This is in Naxos. Afternoon stroll. Right, ooh, another cut. Let's go. Yes. The cat. The cat always known he has